Do you ever wake up feeling weak or tired even after a full night's sleep? Like your legs are shaky, your arms lack strength, and just getting out of bed feels harder than it should? This isn't always just getting older. It might be your nighttime nutrition. Let me tell you about 4 natural foods that quietly support your muscles while you sleep. These aren't exotic supplements, just smart choices that can help you restore energy, rebuild strength, and feel more refreshed in the morning. First up, a simple boiled egg. We usually think of eggs as breakfast food, but eating one at night gives your body all 9 essential amino acids it needs for muscle repair. It's rich in leucine, which directly supports muscle protein synthesis. Plus, eggs provide vitamin D and choline, nutrients that support muscle coordination and brain function. And no, for most people, 1 egg a day won't raise your cholesterol risk. Next, kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit naturally contains melatonin, the sleep hormone. Studies show that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed can improve sleep quality and help you wake up with more energy. It also delivers antioxidants like vitamin C and E, potassium to prevent cramps, and it's safe even for people managing blood sugar. Third, turmeric. A warm turmeric drink before bed, mixed with plant-based milk and a pinch of black pepper, can reduce muscle inflammation and help your body recover more effectively during sleep. Curcumin, its active compound, works quietly to ease low-grade inflammation, especially common as we age. And finally, hydrolyzed collagen. Taken before bed, collagen helps rebuild connective tissues, reduce joint stiffness, and support muscle mass. Combine it with vitamin C for better absorption. Try dissolving it in lemon water or citrus juice. These small evening choices can make a big difference. Don't just sleep. Recover while you sleep. If this helped you, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching.